I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Yeah, today, guys, today we're here with Jquan. Yeah, man, Jquan with Time Machine. That one dropped nearly a week ago. But for some reason it slipped through the net. I don't know how or why. But yeah, big up Jquan. Jump in the one and see what the G have to say, man. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Time Machine.
Good life. One villain.
Villain Records. One villain. Big up. Production team. Time Machine.
Travel was real.
Alright.
Enough things my mama wouldn't fail. Wish me could have go back in a time, change enough things, press rewind, fix mistakes and take back ties. My heart's broken, it probably would have fought if me could have.
Yo, the G back. Yo, in voice different. Yo, the man voice so melodic spread. Yo, melodic voice, bro. Voice bad, man. Big up yourself, Jquan, man.
One villain.
Effortless, bro. Talent. Talented artist. What go on there, now? What?
If time travel was real.
Turn to the director, big up.
Enough things my mama wouldn't fail. Wish me could have go back in a time, change enough things, press rewind, fix mistakes and take back ties. My heart's broken, it probably would have fought if me could have go back in a time. People me love, them probably wouldn't die. All who diss me, them probably wouldn't try. Feelings for you would have fed long time if me could have.
You watch out some blood clotting. If me could have go back in that time. Some of them girls have fuck me, like take it back. Go to fuck them, I swear. I swear, some of them girls have fuck me wouldn't. Yeah! Good
life.
Waste of time. Time is against you, man. Time is against you, man. Eh.
If time travel was real. Enough things my mama wouldn't fail.
Enough. Where you go?
Wish me could have go back in a time, change enough things, press rewind, fix mistakes and take back ties. My heart's broken, it probably would have fought if me could have go back in a time. People me love, them probably wouldn't die. All who diss me, them probably wouldn't try. Feelings for you would have fed long time. If me could have go back in a time, I would change everything that is causing me pain. I would vow to myself to never love again. All the times I've been hurt, I will never.
Fuck, brother! What am I listening to, dog? Oh my God! Hit song, brother. Villain. Hit song you have, brother. Hit song as a producer. You have a hit song, my G. Bumbo Claw Jquan.
If time travel was real.
Pussy Clad. R.I.P. remorse, benefit of the doubt, frustration, report, feelings, love, worthy silence, bumbuckler, regrets. Talk to them.
Wish me could have go back in a time, change enough things, press rewind, fix mistakes and take back ties. My heart's broken, it probably would have fought if me could have go back in a time. People me love, them probably wouldn't die. All who diss me, them probably wouldn't try. Feelings for you would have fed long time. If me could have go back in a time, I would change everything that is causing me pain. I would vow to myself to never love again. All the times I've been hurt, I will never forget. If we could have go back in our time, enough things wouldn't be the same. In enough fool, would I see the change? Still while I'm full, could I never tame. Still corrupt and dark, so I'm forever stay. I know some wish you could have touched a lane. Wish me could have touched and take for the pain. If
3 years ago,
time, I tell you change the lane. Better since you gone, nothing I know the same. Where you gone? Where you there now? Just one day we good, look what we end now. Look how we say we're not gonna dead us. And my heart I bleed, but I can't tell you. Wish heaven have a radio station. They can hear my song, them call them a play fan. Still I hope see you get the message ASAP.
You wish?
Can't see you again. Wish me could have
go back in that time.
Change enough things. Press rewind, fix mistakes and take back ties. My heart's broken, it probably would have fine. If me could have go back in that time. People me love, them probably wouldn't die. All who diss me, them probably wouldn't try. Feelings for you would have fed long time. If me could have go back in that time, I would change everything that is causing me pain. I would fight to myself to never love again. All the times I've been hurt, I will never forget.
Fucking hell. Yeah. It's good I go back in that time. Oh my God. How many does I catch you on the dog? Jquan fans, I'm sorry. Let me just have to react to that one, man. Pussy clot. Me can pull up again. Me not care. Me not care a blood clot. Me not care this man. Pull up again. Me not care, brother. Me not care. Me not care, you deaf? Yeah, I don't care that. Pull up again. And the land. Walk through.
If time travel was real, enough things my mama wouldn't fail.
Hold on.
Wish we could have go back in that time. Change enough things, press rewind, fix mistakes and take back ties. My heart's broken, it probably would have fine. If we could have go back in that time. People me love, them probably wouldn't die. All who diss me, them probably wouldn't try. Feelings for you would have fed long time. If me could have go back in that time, I would change everything that is causing me pain. I would fight to myself to never love again. All the times I've been hurt, I will never forget.
If we could have go back in that time,
enough things wouldn't be the same. In enough fool, would I see the change?
Joe.
Still while I'm full, could I never tame.
Never.
Still corrupt and dark, so I'm forever stay. I know some wish you could have touched a lane. Wish me could have touched and take for the pain. If me know your time, I tell you change the lane. Better since you gone, nothing I know the same. Where you gone? Where you there now? Just one day we good, look what we end now. Look how we say we're not gonna dead us. And my heart I bleed, but I can't tell you. Wish heaven have a radio station.
Talented
they can hear my song, them call them a play fan. Still I hope see you get the message ASAP. Wanna see you again. Wish me could have go back in my time. Change enough things. Press rewind, fix mistakes and take back ties. My heart's broken, it probably would have fine. If me could have go back in that time. People me love, them probably wouldn't die. All who diss me, them probably wouldn't try. Feelings for you would have fed long time. If me could have go back in that time, I would change everything that is causing me pain. I would fight to myself to never love again. All the times I've been hurt, I will never forget.
go back in that time. Pussy clot. I beat off some bands just a while ago. Eh, if me could have go back in that time, and then the girl let me fuck me with the wine, yeah. Wish we could have go back in that time. Some of them girl when me mind me wouldn't mind, yeah. Wish we could have go back in that time. Yo, I'm telling you this, man. This is when Jquan go the route, yeah. Different. Monster. Jquan so talented, bro. Like, when him got them topic, yeah, bro, them unusual topic and them unusual, different youth. If we could have go back in our time, yo, the clarity, bro. Clarity peak, the vocal peak, voice peak, style peak, video man, big up on yourself, video peak. Yo, everything. Nothing, no negatives. No fucking negatives. No negative. What more can I say? Jquan, big up on yourself, G. Yeah, Time Machine, official music video. Production team, big up on yourself. Bumbuckler, Jquan, you find something, man. You find one for sure. Yeah, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this one, though. I'll be down there reading. I'll catch you guys on there. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rap connect.